Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf retaining bar in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf retainer bar. The door shelf retainer bar is located at the top shelf and prevents food from falling off it. The door shelf retainer bar should be replaced if it's bent and no longer stays in place or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Pull on the end cap tabs and remove the old door shelf retainer bar with the end caps. Pull off the end caps and put them aside. This is the old door shelf retainer bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the end caps onto the new retainer bar. Push the end caps to lock them in and close the door. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.